loves, it's Gabby. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to dive into my at-home facial routine and I'm going to take you step by step, but first we need to wash our hands before we jump into this process. Okay, so I'm starting this routine with an oil. This is almond oil. Now, almond oil is amazing for a number of reasons. I've used it quite a bit, and a little does go a long way. And definitely, if you're looking to do all things natural, I would highly invest in this product. It's good for makeup removal, but it's also good for removing facial hairs, which is like peach fuzz that is on your face. As you can see, I'm just taking that razor, being very gentle, slow strokes, and getting some of the hair off of my face and mustache. Okay, and then we're just gonna rinse and pat dry with a paper towel. Moving on, we're gonna take the skin smoothing exfoliator. Now, I'm going to exfoliate a lot during today's routine. This is just gonna be the first product I use. All right, so I like to apply it dry first just to maximize exfoliation from the small beads that are included in this formula. And then in just a moment, you'll see me add some water for some additional slip. All right, so because I'm in my beauty room, I'll be taking it and just putting it in my hand and smoothing it onto my face. And this is just, again, gonna add some additional slip for the next tool we're gonna use to exfoliate. All right, so here is my facial spin brush. And like I mentioned, this is another exfoliating tool. This is gonna help dissolve any leftover makeup, lift any oil. It also massages my face pretty well and gives me a really deep cleanse. So I'm just gonna pat that dry once again. All right, now we're moving into the facial steamer. So here's the steamer I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna turn it around the back so you can see the full view. So I'm starting off with the almond oil once again. I'm gonna smooth that onto my face a little lighter than what I did previously, just to prep for the next step in this process. All right, so here I've got my facial rock. It's also called a gasha. I think I'm saying that correctly. But I'm gonna gently just massage my face with this tool. It's really gonna help to move around any facial fluid, improve circulation, and really release any tension in my face. So I absolutely love this. Just do small strokes and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna follow that up with this double-headed face, neck, and eye massager. So I'm gonna wipe it around my eyes. I'm gonna reverse the end and smooth it on my cheeks as well. So this is gonna reduce any puffiness under the eye and also just really massage my face and gets the fluids going and just really helps me to relax during this spa day process. All right, moving on, we're gonna take the tea tree mask. So I'm gonna mask twice during this routine, but this is just gonna be still part of the cleansing phase where I'm trying to lift any impurities and excess oil from my skin, and that is exactly what this mask is going to do. All right, so this is just a major bonus in my routine is that I get to make it whatever I want, and so I'm just gonna do 2 masks today, starting with this tea tree oil. So just relax and take it in. All right, I had this on for about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna remove it. I'm not gonna rinse, I'm just gonna go in with these gold under eye patches, which have collagen in them, and they also assist with minimizing the appearance of my under eye bags. Now, I've always had bags under my eyes. They are hereditary, but this definitely helps. Okay, so here's my ultrasonic brush tool. This is an electronic exfoliation tool, and I purchased this off of Amazon. I'm gonna take off the cover so you can see the actual scraper that's gonna go across the skin. So when you turn it on, it creates a small beeping noise. It's very soft and gentle. So I'm just scraping it across my skin and really just, it's gonna cleanse and lift any additional buildup and just really targeting some key areas to really get a deeper cleanse than you would with just using your hands. All right, so it has 3 settings. I've only used the lifting and the cleansing phase or setting. So I'm definitely going to continue to explore this tool because it's really relaxing and it feels really, really good. Okay, so now I'm going to follow up with my skin purifying mask. Remember I told you I'm going to mask twice during this actual skincare routine just for some additional relaxation and to remove any further buildup from my skin. All right, so prior to this video, I did place it in the fridge just to provide that nice cooling effect when it's applied to my face. And as you can see here, I'm just taking my facial brush and I'm really just brushing it onto my skin, really trying to get it in as many places as possible, of course avoiding the eyes, but just getting the rest of the face covered. And because this dries fairly quickly, I like to only keep it on for 5 minutes and then I go ahead and rinse it off. And I've noticed that when you keep it on longer, it can be very tough to remove. So definitely just keep it on for 5 minutes and then rinse, and of course pat dry with a paper towel. Okay, so now we're done with the cleansing phase. We can go ahead and turn the steamer off. So here I'm taking the refrigerated ice roller, and this is going to give me a nice cooling sensation. As you can see, as I'm stroking it across my skin, it massages the skin really well. It's really relaxing. Not to mention, it does shrink the size of my pores and reduce any redness that may have occurred during the exfoliation phase of this process. Next, we're going to be going in with this True Skin Vitamin C oil. This is going to be a toner for my routine. This is one of my favorite products. Not only is it easy to apply, but it applies really well and leaves my skin feeling smooth and soft. It also brightens and improves any dark marks that are on my skin. Okay, so now we're going to move into the advanced dark spot correcting serum. So this is just a deeper penetrating serum that's going to really attack any dark spots that you have on your face. So I actually got this serum because I was experiencing some dark marks from some old acne that I had. And as you can see here, they're really like non-existent. So you can't really tell. So I absolutely love this formula. All right, we're going to follow that up with the pore targeting treatment. Now, it says it in the name. It's going to really attack your pores where the acne starts, and it's going to go ahead and kill the bacteria. In return, it reduces future breakouts. So keep that in mind. All right, so I like to apply it in kind of a dotted fashion and then just smooth it through. All right, next we're going to be going in with the Complexion Perfecting Hydrator. All right, so this is also another one of my faves from this proactive product line. So the reason I love this product is because I feel like on certain days where my skin is oily, I can use this as a moisturizer. That's how hydrating to the skin it is. I do love the way that it smells. It has a really fresh smell and it's really smooth, and it gives my face a smooth appearance once I apply this product. So I absolutely love it. All right, so this last product is an oldie but a goodie. I've been using it for years. Here is the Pods Dry Skin Cream. This is going to act as my moisturizer to pretty much just wrap up today's routine. All right, so I have naturally oily skin and I use this dry skin cream just because I've hydrated my skin a lot and I really want to level everything out. It's very light and it adds some a simple hydration that gets my skin feeling really nice and soft. And it just seals in all of that moisture. It gets me feeling really good. So I absolutely love this. All right, so that's the last step in this routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.